Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Exide Industries. Our analyst retains buy on Exide Industry with a revised SOTP based price target of Rs 537 on the expectation of continued recovery in replacement demand, improvement in EBITDA margin on steady RM cost, and timely execution on its Lion Cell project. Exide has reported strong operating performance in Q4 on the back of steady input cost trend. Exide has so far invested Rs 2,302 crore in Lion Cell manufacturing project. The stock trades at price to equity multiple of 25.5 times its FY26 earning estimates. Next, we have an update on Mahindra Lifespace. Our analyst retains a buy rating on Mahindra Lifespace with a revised price target of Rs 785, increasing the NAV valuation factoring higher pre-sales run rate and recently launched projects. The company reported robust residential sales booking driven by launch of a key Mumbai project during Q4. Collections stayed healthy while integrated cities and industrial cluster segment stayed weak. Higher income from JV boosted net earnings. Launch pipeline is strong at Rs 4,000 crore in near to mid-term. Business development pipeline at Rs 5,000 to 6,000 crore remains healthy. It continues to eye Rs 8,000 to 10,000 crore pre-sales by FY28, for which it would require Rs 7,000 to 7,500 crore capital, partly expected to be financed via fundraise.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.